Greetings for Marina Square Mall. Today I'll be exploring the level 1, the time now is 9:50 p.m. 10 more minutes they're going to close. So let's see what we have here. This is a cute shop of charms. They sell some clothes. And this one, Z or something, I can't really pronounce it really clearly. Island shop. Tasi women's clothing. You know, Marina Square is quite an old mall. But I think the interior is still very like attractive and fashionable. It's not like those old school mall like Golden Landmark Complex, Queens Shopping Center. Those look quite old, but this one seriously look like very happening mall. And dance are held here every year during the Chinese New Year period. And last month is the CNY 2026 Year of the Horse, right? So they have a lot of dance performance which I've done the video and upload in my channel already, so you can take a look. Alpaca, this kind of travel stuff. And then there's a new food court called the Paradise. 新时尚 Gourmet Paradise. We even have vegetarian food, fish soup, mala, and gyudon curry. There's Xiaojiangnan. Yeah, children Burger King here. That is never do. Kenny Roger, very old fashioned, very old restaurant already in Singapore. I guess it's like 20 years. So from here, going down. There's even a luli. Some kind of dessert. And in the old fashioned mall like Marina Square, right, the escalator is normally for one person. Unless you are very small size and your friend who is also very small size, so both you can squeeze left and right of the escalator. And I like the view from outside. Let me show you. Once you step up and step down, right? Step up and step down the 2 steps. Oh, this wooden pavement, very nice. Okay, there are some pubs here. They call Hachi. That's a restaurant or something. They sell some snacks. And in front they say there's a Hai Di Lao hotpot and Cristopia. The view I'm referring to is the Durian Mall, Esplanade.